Hey, welcome back to day 5. Every day we're sharing stories that make you think deeper, feel stronger, and speak better English. One simple story at a time. Today's story is about a man who didn't wait for freedom. He fought for it. He dreamed big, even when the world called it impossible. Let's talk about one of India's boldest leaders, Subhas Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji. In the story, Subhas Chandra Bose was born in 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He was brilliant from a young age, a top student with a strong mind. His father wanted him to become a top civil officer under the British, and he did clear the Indian Civil Services exam in England. But then, he made a shocking decision. He said, "I can't work for a government that keeps my country in chains." He gave up a high-paying job to fight for India's freedom. Unlike many, Bose believed that freedom could not be requested, it had to be earned. He formed the Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army, and led thousands of Indian soldiers against the British, shouting, "Give me blood, and I will give you freedom." He didn't care about comfort or safety. He lived in disguise, traveled across countries, and built alliances, all for one goal: free India. Even though he died under mysterious circumstances, his legacy still burns bright. He showed us what it means to live and die for a cause greater than yourself. Message: Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose teaches us, true courage is not just fighting outside. It's standing strong inside, even when the whole world doubts you. So dream with passion, speak with power, and live with purpose. Thanks again for watching today's story. If you're feeling a little more inspired and your English is growing day by day, you're doing great. Stay with us for more powerful stories ahead. Let's keep growing, let's keep learning together. See you in the next one.